Hello. Hopefully this will be a short video about how to create an assignment using Google Docs or Google Slides for your kids to work on. I'm inside of a course, and when I'm inside of the course, has the upper left-hand corner has the Manage Subject button. I'm going to click that. This is, of course, where all of the different settings are. So I'm going to go to Assignments. It brings up this assignments group. I'm going to click the plus assignment, and I'm going to create the assignment here. So I'm going to just call it something. In the text box, you can obviously do directions, you can do text, you can include a video, you could you can embed something in here. Whatever you would like to do in this text box is basically available to you. Down here, you can give the assignment points. You can assign it to a group. So I have organized my different assignments based on different groups. So I'm going to put it in the step group. And then I want to keep this display as grade as points, so I can pull in the Google document. And I'm going to obviously I'm going to do this check mark because I'm not doing a grade on this. The submission type. So this is where we're going to pull in the Google document. It's going to be an external tool. And then you're going to enter or find an external tool URL. So we'll hit find. And you want to scroll down until you get to the Google Assignments LTI 1.3. So you click on that, and it brings you up to your Google account. So I'm going to hit continue because this is who I am. And this is where you will bring in the assignment, okay? So you have the option of looking at the document through Google, saying Google Assignments, or you can look through the document as Canvas SpeedGrader, either one. So I am going to attach my file because I already created the file that I want all of the students to have. So I want all students to have this favorites presentation. So I'm going to click on that and add it. When I click on that and add it, it will say each student will get a copy, and that's exactly what I want. I want every single student to have a different slide presentation. I don't want to share this slide presentation. Instead of attaching, I could also create the document right from this screen. I prefer to do it ahead of time and then attach it, but it's up to you. Then once I'm done with that, I will hit the create button. And it goes back to this pop-up screen. Your Google Assignments is selected, so you just want to hit the select button. And it goes into there as using the Google tab. I am going to select load this tool in a new tab. I prefer to have students working in a new tab and not in their Canvas tab when they're doing things like this. You can decide how many submissions they allow. You can sync to Infinite Campus. I don't do this. And then you can assign it to specific people in your classroom or all of them. And then you definitely want to make sure that you give it a due date. So I'm going to start the due date. Oops, that's not what I want it to. We'll say it's due then. And you can do available from, until, etc. You can align with a standard if you would like. And once you have this done, you can save it, or you can save and publish it. I'll just save it because I'll show you how I'm going to put that into my module. Hit the save button. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my subject. And I'm going to move me over and go to modules. And I'm going to add this presentation into my into my module, into my STEP module. So I'm going to click the plus button in order to add something to my module. And specifically, I'm going to add the assignment. This could pop up with a quiz, file, page, discussion, any of those things. But I'm going to add the assignment. So the specific assignment that I want is favorites presentation. So I click on that and then hit add item. You'll see the assignment or the addition at the bottom of your module. So here you can just hit the publish button and it will show you that will now be published for students to see. I hope that this is helpful to you. When you go into this document, you can view it as a student. And when you do, you can kind of see what it's going to look like. So you load the favorites presentation into a new window, and this would be what it would look like for them. They're going to link to their Google accounts, and I'm not sure it's going to let me, I can't do it because I am a teacher, but it should pop up what their particular slide presentation, in this case, because it was a slide, Google slide, and they can start working in it. I hope that is helpful. Have a great day.